In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the agent mode on ChatGPT for free. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So with this mode, you can do different tasks. So click this button and go to more and agent mode. Now you can describe any task you want. For example, I want to search for cat videos in YouTube. Just like this, it will take a few seconds and the AI will control them, so it will perform any task you want. So let's wait a few seconds. As you can see, they have the computer right here and I'm not doing anything. The AI is moving the mouse and doing everything. As you can see, it goes to YouTube and searches for cat videos, and that's it. You can just put any task you want right here, and then after that you can even ask the AI for the results or any question you want about the task you use as the AI. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.